Hello. In this video, we will show you how to install our OBD module with the SCR error reset option using a 2025 Mercedes Sprinter 2-liter OM654 as an example. Before you begin installing the module, fill the DEF tank to full. Do not overfill it. If the tank is filled all the way to the top, the ultrasonic level sensor may not work correctly. Now the OBD module is ready for installation. Turn the ignition on by pressing the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. All lights on the dashboard should come on. Wait 20 seconds for the system to fully load. You will find the OBD port to the left of the brake pedal. Insert the OBD module into the OBD port. The green LED will begin flashing. Wait until the LED turns off. The installation will take a few minutes, but no more than 5 minutes. Once the LED stops flashing, remove the OBD module. Done. The installation is complete. Start the engine and check if the starts remaining message is gone. You may need to repeat the installation 1 or 2 more times to fully clear the faults and remove the warning. The installation is complete now. Once the process is finished correctly, the check engine light will be gone and you can continue driving without restrictions.
You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.